Good evening to all. Today you are at a UCAM. I'm taking you to the new automation what we made for this IMTEX. So you can see this is a automation solution we are giving to all customers like who is having VMCs. So just is a demo. You can see that we loaded as two machines and continuously automation is happening. Here we are presenting pick and place the components. We have n number of variety components here, and one cobot is handling two machines. If you have 10 number or 20 number of machines, that we can adapt to yours. And here you can see our Rotary Table performance as well. So it's a high precision and high accurately it is reaches to its position to get a clamp and unclamp. You can see that if the PCD will not match, I mean the location will not match, that component will not lock properly. You can see it is locking exactly and precision you can achieve that. You can see that now it started rotating. This we are offering in this IMTEX.